Hey friend, if you're over 50 and wondering if it's too late to start a YouTube channel or creative business, then this video is for you. I'm Wendy Varner of Wendy Varner Designs, a small batch polymer clay earring artist based in Charlotte, North Carolina. I've been running my online store for a few years, popping up at local vendor events and teaching workshops, which I really have been enjoying. A few months ago, I committed to weekly YouTube videos, and let me tell you, this platform is a game changer for creatives, especially over 50. And yes, I made these earrings I'm wearing right now. You can grab a pair if you'd like to support me on my website, if you want to treat yourself or gift a creative friend. First of all, you don't need fancy gear, you guys. Let's bust a myth real quick. You do not need fancy cameras, editing skills, or thousands of subscribers to start making money or building a community on YouTube like I have. I used my phone in the past and am currently using my laptop to see if I like that better. And I use a simple ring light. I'll link my favorite Amazon tools below, and I edit everything with Veed, which is beginner friendly and saves me so much time. I'll include a link for that in the description below as well. Like this video if you've ever held off starting because of tech fears like me. I still have tech fears, but I'm pushing through. Use your voice and life experience. If you're over 50, you already have your greatest asset, life experience. Whether you've raised a family like me, I raised 4 kids, run a small business, worked in a hands-on job, or figured out retirement finances, there's thousands of people online searching for your knowledge and perspective. For me, I started just sharing tips about clay tools, earring styles, and mistakes I wish I knew earlier. And those videos connected me with so many of you, especially beginners. In fact, here's a reminder to download my free guide, 10 Beginner Polymer Clay Mistakes to Avoid. The link is in the description. Okay, make videos that reflect you. Your content doesn't need to be viral. It just needs to be valuable. Start by teaching the version of you from 5 or 10 years ago. What would have helped you back then? That's your niche. I've made videos like 10 beginner polymer clay mistakes and how to fix them. I've made stop copying and start creating, how to find your earring style. Also, beginner clay earring tools. Keep it simple and affordable. What topic would you share on YouTube? Let me know in the comments. Can't think of anything? I'm happy to help you with that too. Monetize from day one. You don't have to wait to hit 1,000 subscribers to start earning. I include affiliate links in my descriptions for like the clay tools that I use, my ring light and my phone stand, my favorite Shopify theme, which is Dawn Pro. And as mentioned earlier, even the video editor Veed. I also sell printable guides like Find Your Polymer Clay Earring Style because in the beginning I had trouble with that. I also created beginner tool guides, must have seller to host workshop guide. These guides had helped a lot of people and they're not hard to make. I made mine in Canva and you can do that too. I also offer one-on-one clay training online. And yes, people find me here on YouTube. Keep content creation simple. Don't overcomplicate your setup. Start really small. Record on your phone. Jot down bullet points, not full scripts. Use beginner tools like Veed for editing. Batch film when you can, like film to 2 to 3 videos in a day. The idea of your video matters more than perfect lighting or editing. Need inspiration? Watch my video, Newbie Tips for Filming Your First YouTube Video. Listen, if I can start this in my late 50s, so can you. Whether you're a jewelry maker, crafter, painter, writer, or just someone with a story, you're not too late. Grab your free guide below. Join my newsletter. It's where I share new clay drops and freebie alerts. Like this video, drop a comment. Let's get to know each other. And Subscribe for weekly encouragement and real life maker tips. I'll see you in my next video.